If you think about your English, this is such as behind me what you see. English will be this one for you. Anything where would you like to go? But this is not this one where I am at now for this video what I take it for you. This is simpler. And this is the reason why I take this video at here, because I like to show you in this video English is not so hard journey which is hard for you to grow up before you can say something for someone. This is simpler. When in your mind English is this one, what you see it now, English will be hard for you because you are at the bottom, or what is it's called, not up, at down, and why you can go up, this will be very hard. If you think this one in your mind, change it at now. And I can show you how. When you begin to speak and you'd like to tell something, at first, before you begin to tell something, change in your mind your mother language. From today, your mother language is English. This is the basic. If you can change it in your mind, you change everything. Because if your mother language is English, how can I translate anything to my mother language, which is English? This is absolutely stupidity. This is the reason why I never translate what I'd like to say for you. This is the reason why I never like to find words what I'd like to use for you in my sentences. This is the reason why I don't speak with and overthinking. Because for me, this place where I am at now, where I sit at now, is not this one what you see. I am not at here, at the bottom. No. This is our journey where you can go ahead. And when one step is hard for you, or second step, when you go not up, back to down, and this is hard, but you learn more and more, but you feel your English is not the best at the moment, but you learn more and more. What happens? I went to up? No. Only down. Because this is not small place. This is not hard journey. I have more place. I have more options for these steps that I can step at here when I like to go up. All sentences, all your speak in any place for you is this one. I show you. What happens? What is this one? Can you tell me with English? Because I can't at this moment, but I know. This is called, but I can use this one. That means if my work with English is hard, such as where I sit at now, I can use any help which give me better moments, have to be better and better in the situation where I am at now. Maybe English is hard for you at now, But you can use any help. What is this help? And now for me where I sit, this one what I show you. You can use any help. Or how to learn new words. For example, fear. I can tell you. For example, you see one animal. This animal is so big and you fear. You don't like to see this animal. You don't like to near in this animal because you fear. Did you understand what means word fear or fear or have to say? Maybe you know how to say this word with perfect pronunciation, but I can't. But I can use it, and you understood this word without translate to another language. And why we speak without any translate? Because, and never forget what I told you a few minutes ago, your mother language is English. If your mother language is English, and if you learn such as child, you never translate. For example, your father or mother can tell you, when show you something, what is this one? And your father or mother can tell you, this is one machine, you can speak to this machine, and this machine name, it's called mic. And that's all. And never forget, I'd like to tell you again and again, if you think about your journey from down to up is hard, your English practice, not study, will be hard. When this is for you, anything where you can use any help, yeah, this is better here sit, because this is good for me to sit here. I never sit here before, but this is a very good place for me. Why? Because I thinking, how can I find to be better and better? This is small step, but if you can find when you speak, never forget between speaks, you will be better and better. But your work is hard. These elements have to practice this language. Okay?